Hey, good news for all of you if you are planning to learn German language. Now, we are going to start our A1 super intensive course in German language with a very affordable fee from 27th of September. The duration of this course is 2 months. And the best part of this course is it is 100% online. That means now you can learn German language from anywhere in the world. All you need is a mobile phone with an internet connection. All the classes of this course will be live and recorded as well. After each class, you will also get the recordings of the classes. Somehow, if you miss any class, then you will have access to watch those recordings. After successfully completing this A1 level course, you will also get the certificate from our institution, Pathways International Institute of Languages. There are some free bonuses for people who would enroll in this course. The first bonus is you will get 2 books of German language from our side. The second bonus is you will also get free foreign language career guidance by me, where I will be teaching you how you can make a successful career after learning a German language, how to get jobs, how you can work from home and earn enough money, how you can create 7 sources of income for yourself after learning a foreign language. So whether you want to learn this language for your career or you want to learn it as a hobby, or maybe you are a working person and you want to learn this language in order to enhance your growth in your company by adding this language skill in your CV, then this is the right time for you to grab this opportunity. So take action now. There is a link given in the description. Go click on the link and enroll yourself right now. There are limited seats in all the batches. So enroll yourself right now before all the seats get filled. If you are watching this video on Instagram, then you will find the link in my bio. All the other information of this course is given on our site, which is given in the description. If you have any other queries related to our course, then we have also mentioned our WhatsApp number and our calling number in the description. So go and enroll yourself right now. It is rightly said that opportunities are the gifts of God, but it is only meant for people who grab those opportunities at the right time. So grab this opportunity, take action right now for your career growth.